Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dolores from Disney's Encanto. So let's get started. To draw cute Dolores, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to curve in and come right across and come about right here and do the same thing. But I'm going to try to make the bottom a little bit more sharper because her face is very sharp towards the bottom. So I'll say about right here and bring it in towards the center and then go right back up. There, so just a little bit narrow and sharper. Then from there, I'm going to come back to where I started, and on the edge right here, I'm going to draw a circle for her eyes, big round eyes. And do the same thing right on this side, about right here, towards the edge. And now that my circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes, and come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that the circles and the eyes in, I'm going to come right here on the edge and just spruce them up with some lashes. Just 3 of them right here, nice and thick on the sides. Right there. And then let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come up about right here and go straight across, soft arc, and then down and thicken them up. Now I'll just come in here and shade them in black. And same thing on this side. So about right here, go straight across and then down. And thicken them up. There. And let's give her a sweet smile. So say about right here in the center. I'm just going to draw a soft curve and then cap it off. There. Then from there, I'm going to come to the sides right here and draw her ear. So kind of like where we started right here. I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve, and then right here before I finish, I'm going to draw a circle for her earring, and then come straight down and give it a little heart right here. And then for some details in her ear, just 2 curves. So same exact thing right here where we started, big curve, and then about right here, circle, come down and add a heart. And details inside. Then from there, we're going to just imagine an oval. So her head is a little bit more narrow towards the top. So we're going to bring this in and here as well. Just bring this in and just going to imagine an oval. So say about right here in this area right here, I'm going to come to the center about right here, and I'm going to draw 2 little curves. Well, maybe, you know what, let's make them 4 curves just to even it out. And then now that we have those 4 small little curves, let's bring 2 bigger curves down just to connect everything and finish it off. So same thing over here, 1, 2, and then just finish it off, whatever space you have left. So this is just her forehead area, her hair. So then let's come back right here where her ear is, and we're going to draw a curve right over. But you know what, before we do that, let's come right back to the center. So come up right here, sorry about that. We're going to come right to the center, and in this area we're going to draw a really big bow. So I just make sure my bow is right in the center, and then I'm going to connect it. So this is the center of my bow, and then I'm going to bring out a big loop. So I'm going to go, it's kind of like where the ears are. I'm going to go nice and wide. So a nice big bow come out right here. So about where the ears are, and bring it in. So same thing over here. out, kind of where the ears are, and bring it in. There, so we'll make sure we have our bow in. And then for some details, come inside right here, just draw a little curve for some detail. And add some curves right here. And so then now we can go ahead and finish this part. So let's bring this, and we're going to curve it in. So same thing here. Just curve it in. So this is her hair. And then let's come back right here for some details. Add some lines right here. And then her wrap. So let's come right here, and I'm going to add a curve that comes right back to her ear. Same thing here, comes right back to her ear. So this is the wrap, and I'll just lightly draw some lines right here so we know the wrap part. And then for the poofy part of her hair on the top. So if you're more comfortable, you can just draw very small curves all the way, a nice big mound right here. But if you like, just try to attempt to make it look like there's curls. I'm going to curl here and there, but still imagine it going up. So just keep that in mind as you go up, curl, and then maybe at the top you can just simplify it, some curves. And come right back down there. So hopefully that looks gives it that texture. And you can come in here when you're coloring, or you can do this with a Sharpie actually. Just give it some of these curls in here just to give it even more texture. Here and there. Okay, so hopefully that doesn't look like worms in your hair, but it gives it some texture. I think it'll look better once we color everything in. Okay, so then now that we have that done, let's go ahead and draw her cute dress. So right here in the center, let's give her a little neck, and we're going to bring this out, neck and then shoulder, neck and shoulder, and then we're going to bring it down. For her dress, she has this part right here, right over her shoulder. So I'm going to bring this down nice and low. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves all the way across. Right there. So just lower and then goes up. Then let's come back for some details. Come right here. We're going to cut it off. And some detail right here. Color and some color right here as well. And then she has a choker that she's wearing, so right here on her neck, I'm going to put in a choker, so hopefully you can see that. And then right here in the center is a little circle for a detail. And then now we can go ahead and draw her body. So her shoulders, her armpits will be about right here and here, nice and center. I'm going to go ahead and draw an angle line. And I'll bring it in and connect it with a curve. There. And then let's give her a waist. So right here and here, connect it for her skirt and across. Then let's poof out her skirt. Just gonna bring out and out. And let's bring this down nice and low. So bring all the way out. And then let's keep going to about right here, and then we'll stop. So just give it a little flare out a little bit, and then at the bottom we're just going to go ahead and wobble away across. And notice once again it's lower towards the center and then goes right back up. Then for since we're down here, let's draw her feet. So I want her feet right here. And I just want to make sure I'm centered, so say about right here, another foot. And then let's bring this down. So we're just going to see part of her foot. Nice and simple. And I'll just draw a curve right here. So same thing over here. There, so we have her feet in, and then now we can go ahead and draw her sleeves. So right in this area, we're going to draw a poofy sleeve. So this hand is going to be on her hip. So right here, I'm going to bring this out and then connect it. Add a little fringe part right here, and then her hand. So it's going to come across. I want her hand to be about right here. So bring this down. And right here, I'm going to go out at an angle. So same thing here, just give her a little elbow, bring it in, and then we're going to bring this down, and then a little finger for her elbow, for her hand. And then on this side, let's just have her hand come out. So the poofy part would be about right here, here, connect. And once again, come out for this detail, and let's have her hand come out. So about right here. And let's bring this out. So we're going to extend it to her finger and a thumb. And then just add a little finger right here, another one in the back. Okay, so pretty much done. Let's add some details for some creases right here and some here. And let's see, I can add more here as well. And then there's a bunch of layers on her skirt. So I'll start about right here. And I'll just go across. First band, let's see, how many bands do we need to draw? Oh, actually I'm missing one. Okay, sorry, I need to draw a thinner one here. Let's make it right here, and then a thicker one here. So I'm getting wider, so I'm going to draw my points across and make sure I'm going in the same area. So one more here. It all makes sense when I color it a little bit better, hopefully. And let's make sure. And one more. And just try and follow my top curve right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Dolores turned out just as much as the ones I did of Isabella, Mirabel, and Louisa. And like always, I hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.